There are a few things that I love more than taking a walk in the middle of the day to get some fresh air, clear my mind, but I don't like walking by myself and I don't have a dog, so let me introduce you to my walking partner. This is Sushi. Sushi and I are gonna give you a tour of our favorite walking trail right on the outside of Calallen, so let's go. Make sure you start your Apple Watch because if you don't, your workout doesn't count. Hilltop Nature Trail is honestly a hidden gem in my opinion. There's usually never anyone on the trails with me, and if they are, they're very spread out. So you need to come try it out. I walk about 2.5 miles, I believe is the stretch, but it's so cool. I love being here. It is 80 degrees outside, and honestly, I have goosebumps because there's always a constant breeze and there's so many hills, and it's just a great place to be, and that's why it's on my list of 22 things to do in 2022. He is exhausted from that walk.